Google Veo 3 is one of the most powerful AI video generators out there. And believe it or not, people are still finding ways to use it completely free. The catch? Those methods keep getting blocked pretty quickly. So in this video, I'm going to show you the newest way to get access right now. But you gotta watch the whole thing because I'll walk you through every step before they block it again. Step 1. Just make sure you've got a Google account. If not, go ahead and create one. Then open Google and search for Google Cloud Skill Boost. Click the first result that pops up. Log in, enter your birth date, just make sure it says you're over 18, and accept the terms. Once you're in, hit the Explore tab at the top. In the search box, type Generative AI. You'll see something like Generative AI with Vertex AI Prompt Design. That's the one you want. Open it, then click Start Lab. Now this next part's important. Right-click on Open Google Cloud Console and open it in incognito mode or a new tab. You'll get a little pop-up. Just pick your country, hit Agree and Continue, and you're in. On the left-hand menu, click Vertex AI, then go to Media Studio and finally open Veo. Boom. You now have full access to Google V3, completely free. Okay, quick heads up. Once the 45-minute timer ends, you'll get logged out. So if that happens, just repeat the process and you're good. But here's what happened after I tested it. When I first discovered this, I tried it out, wrote my script, and everything worked smoothly. But the moment I came back to record my voiceover and test it again, the video generation part was already patched. Looks like Google noticed the loophole and shut it down, at least for now. Good news. Even though the video generation part of V3 is temporarily blocked, that doesn't mean the whole thing's useless. Far from it. You still have access to some seriously powerful tools built right into this platform. You can create crazy high-quality AI images using Imagen 4 and Imagen 4 Ultra, perfect for thumbnails, B-roll, or social posts. There's a music generation tool where you just type what you want, and it creates a soundtrack. Great for YouTubers or short-form editors. And yep, text-to-speech still works like a charm. Just type your script, pick a voice, and you're done.
Google Veo 3 is one of the most powerful AI video generators out there, and believe it or not,
so even if the video side is on hold, you've still got a stack of AI tools to play with, for free. I promise, if I find another working method to unlock Veo 3 video generation, I'll post an update here on the channel and show you exactly how to do it. In the meantime, I've already made some videos covering free AI video generators that are still active. So go check those out if you're trying to get content out today. Stay creative, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.